Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
As reactions continue to trail the recent impeachment move against the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu by the State House of Assembly, some concerned Edo residents cautioned the state legislators against waging a needless proxy war on the Deputy Governor solely on the basis of his insistence to contest the 2024 governorship election under the platform of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, against the will of his principal, Governor Godwin Obaseki.
The Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu, is in the eye of the storm again as the State House of Assembly set in motion impeachment proceedings against him last week. The majority leader of the State House of Assembly, Charity Agobowehe, while presenting the petition on the floor of the House, accused Right Honorable Shuaibu of acting against his oath of office when he appeared before a High Court in July last year. He, however, explained to journalists thereafter that the Deputy Governor has 7 days to respond to the allegations, which will inform the next line of action.
These are the allegations against you. Answer to them. If the answer comes and is satisfactory, the matter ends there. If it is not satisfactory, a motion will be moved, supported by 2/3 majority of the House, and the matter will now be slated for investigation.
The Deputy Governor, who stood with his principal, Governor Godwin Obaseki, against the machinations of former Governor Adams Oshiomhole in 2020, is now in a frosty relationship with his boss solely because of his ambition to take over the top job in the state, a scenario many say could be responsible for the recent turnout of events. Sensing danger on the horizon, Shuaibu obtained a court injunction in July last year against the perceived move to impeach him before going on to offer a public apology to Governor Obaseki to salvage their fractured working relationship. However, developments that followed would suggest that the rift between the duo did not simmer down, as the Deputy Governor, aside from being thrown out of his office, did not receive the blessings of Obaseki in the PDP primary election in the state, where his supporters were reportedly shut out of the venue, leading to parallel primaries that produced him and Asio Ighodalo as candidates of the party. The recent move to kick him out is raising an avalanche of reactions across the state. Some residents who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta crew last week are cautioning the State House of Assembly against waging a needless proxy war on Shuaibu.
I don't think this is the right time, or at any point in time, Obaseki will move an impeachment proceedings against Philip. If he is saying the Philip is going, I think the both of them will have to go. Philip stood by him. Philip had to betray the Afema people stood by him, thinking that they have one family, that they work together.
Philip Shuaibu is a nice man, he's a gentleman. Nobody knows the reason why the governor would do a thing like that.
This political drama in Edo State is no doubt coming at a critical time for the PDP as it hopes to retain its grip on power. Residents observe that the timing is indeed precarious and may portend danger for the ruling party.
Serving somebody notice very 4 months to election, you have divided the party because the deputy governor have his own candidate, they have his own part of the people in that party that he brought into that party, which definitely pull out of the party. Definitely, I think the PDP, they are risking 50% of their chances.
They want to cause problem to the party, and it will not go well. It will not go well with the party because some members will be aggrieved.
As the political landscape in Edo State continues to evolve, the appeal is for the State House of Assembly to exercise restraint and uphold democratic values. Observers and watchers of developments are calling for a careful examination of the motivations behind the impeachment move and a focus on issues that directly impact the well-being of Edo people.
Inside the Niger Delta,